The gaming industry has embraced AI as a game changer, revolutionizing player experiences, game development, and even game design. AI-powered technologies are being utilized in various aspects of gaming, from creating intelligent non-player characters, NPCs, to enhancing game environments and providing personalized gameplay. One significant application of AI in gaming is in NPC behavior and artificial intelligence opponents. AI algorithms can create realistic and challenging NPCs that adapt their strategies, learn from player behavior, and provide dynamic gameplay. These intelligent NPCs can enhance immersion, create more engaging gameplay, and cater to players of different skill levels. AI is also used to improve game environments through procedural generation. By leveraging AI algorithms, game developers can generate vast and diverse virtual worlds, landscapes, and levels. Procedural generation enables endless possibilities and unique experiences for players, ensuring no two gaming sessions are the same. Player engagement and personalization are further enhanced through AI-driven recommendation systems. These systems analyze player preferences, gameplay patterns, and feedback to provide personalized recommendations for games, levels, items, and even in-game events. This helps players discover new games, prolong engagement, and tailor their gaming experiences to their individual preferences. AI is also playing a role in game testing and quality assurance. AI-powered testing tools can simulate player behavior, uncover bugs, and identify areas of improvement in game mechanics, graphics, and performance. This accelerates the game development process, improves game quality, and ultimately leads to more enjoyable gaming experiences. Additionally, AI has opened up new possibilities for game design and storytelling. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including player choices, dialogues, and narrative structures, to generate dynamic and branching storylines. This enables games to offer more personalized and immersive narratives, where player decisions directly impact the course of the story. Ethics and inclusivity are important considerations in AI-powered gaming. Fairness, transparency, and the avoidance of biases must be ensured in AI algorithms and systems. Furthermore, accessibility features powered by AI, such as voice recognition and adaptive gameplay, can make gaming more inclusive for individuals with disabilities. In our upcoming videos, we will explore more exciting AI applications in gaming, including AI-generated content, virtual reality integration, and player behavior analysis. Stay tuned to our channel for the latest insights and updates on AI and gaming.